is growing and growing just as the volume of this crowd. This News 10 Cool School episode, we're featuring Hoover Elementary.
I'm Maya Patridge, and I'm the president of Hoover. Our school is cool because we do lots of fun events.
The school has skydivers come into their assemblies. Take a look up there.
Would you go skydiving if you could?
Oh, definitely, but I would go with the camera attached to my head.
Then we have our Hoover Band, which just gives our school more Hoover spirit, even though we have tons of it already.
Do you think other schools have that?
Not really.
Probably not.
We also have fun spirit days. So far we've had crayon day, and everybody dresses like a different color for a crayon.
At Hoover Elementary, they actually have a birthday book club, which honors students for donating back to the school and rebuilding their library.
I just didn't want all the books to run out and be ripped, so I donated a book.
We have the fund run, which is really fun. Did you think our fund run would be fun?
I think so, if I probably wore the right shoes, but clearly I did not even wear the right shoes today at all.
Hoover is a News 10 cool school. Vote for us on Facebook!
It's been fun.